welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic, wonderful day. I'm doing really good today. I've been super busy. I have some errands to run and I have a new background. And if you notice, my lighting is just a little bit better, actually a lot better. I have got a ring light. My wonderful husband gave me my Christmas present early, so hopefully my lighting for you guys is so much better. And I just want to say thank you to my amazing husband for giving me my Christmas gift early. In today's video, we have yet again another unboxing, of course. Today's unboxing is my Lola's box. Lola is $21 a month, comes every single month, comes with full-size items. So let's just get in here and see what we got. Oh. And it just looks like this, has the card on top. And the theme this month is Beauty is Power. And there's a little card. Excuse my fingernails, they look absolutely terrible. I see is in some bubble wrap. And this is by So Susan Cosmetics Halo on High. It's a luminizing powder cream. And here is the packaging for this. Hopefully this light I'm still working on adjusting. Like, it can go extremely bright or really dim. So I'm trying to get it like set to where it looks good on the video. And here is the packaging for it. It's very pretty. And on the inside we have the powder cream inside. So here's that. And this says, yes, it does have the prices. This is a soft focus luminous powder and cream hybrid highlighter with a light infusing radiant finish. And this retails for $25. So let's see if we can get a swatch of this guy here. It is very shiny. If my camera will focus, there we go. It is very shiny. Here it is on the back of my hand. Let me see if I can turn this light down a little bit. There we go. So it is very pretty, very, very pigmented. So I would definitely be trying that out. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is in this little box, and this is Medusa's Makeup Lipstick, and it says it is cruelty-free, and I really like the packaging on this. It's very pretty. And here is the packaging. I have that powder all over it. It is just black, and it says Medusa's Makeup on the bottom of it. And, ooh, it's a little purple. Here is the shade, and my phone's going off. Here's the shade for it. It is very purple. Let's see if I can give it a swatch here. It's kind of like a violet purple. If you guys can see that on the back of my hand. It is a violet shiny purple color, so I would definitely give this a go. Not my favorite colors of lipstick to wear, but I'll give it a go and see how I like it. The next thing I'm pulling out is this, and this is Bodyography Pro Ready Set Go Makeup Setting Spray, and it comes in this little almost a squeezy tube. And this little bottle here. Oh yeah, the lipstick retailed for $12. I don't remember if I said that or not. And then this is $8.50. It says a weightless setting spray to lock makeup in place, control oil and shine, or refresh makeup throughout the day. Great for all skin types in all climate. Can be applied before and after makeup application to prep and set. So I'm just going to open this up and see if it has a scent to it or anything. Okay, so we open it up. It has a little spritzer, so we're just gonna... Oh, it's a very fine mist. Kind of smells like Crayola crowns, but that's okay. Not too bad. I'll see how this works on my makeup. I do have setting spray on now, which is my all-time favorite setting spray. It's the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray, but I'll definitely give this guy a go. The next thing I have is by Crown, and there's the packaging for this. And this is a 10 color Temptation Collection eyeshadow palette. So we'll see what this guy looks like. It does come in some bubble wrap. So undo this. And here's the actual packaging itself. It just says Crown, and it's like a matte black behind it. And then we do have a safety shield. And then here are all of the shades. They are very pretty, very neutral tone. So let's get some swatches. But here's the first one. It is just a brown matte color. And here it is swatched on my hand. Ooh, that's really pigmented. The next one is a shimmer brown. And I'll swatch my phone. And I'll swatch this one here. Everything's, there we go. There's the next one right here. The next one is also a matte brown. And here is this one. And we'll swatch that one right there. I don't know why that one's so far down, but there's the next one. The next one is a darker brown color. We'll just swatch it right here. There's that one. Going on to the second row, we have a lighter shimmer color, which I will put right here. They're all very pigmented. The next one is an orangey shade, and we'll put it right there. They're super pretty. The next one is a red. Ooh, that is red. And we'll just put that there. It's a very pretty red color. I really like that one. The next one is another brown matte. And we'll put it way down here. And the next one is a black. And we'll put that one up here. Ooh, little patchy on the black. So here is the entire palette on my hand. It is very pretty, very pigmented. I love neutral tone eyeshadows. So I will definitely be giving this guy a go. So is that, nope, we're still, got more. Ooh, something's leaking. Okay, so we have these folded up things that are open and leaking juices everywhere. But we seem to have some masks. They look pretty scary in that little packaging. Oh, they're leaking. I don't think they packaged them the best because that is all over the box and it is open. But we have these masks and they are called Facial Tox Diamond Collagen Facial Mask. That looks really scary. And the paper says about these, it says the best diamond collagen facial mask in the market right now with ingredients such as glycerin, shimmering powder, algae extract, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, hydrolyzed collagen, allantoid, abutin, and water. This mask will leave your face perfectly hydrated and moisturized. And these retail for $26.66. So I wish they would have packaged them better because they were all folded up in the bag. And this one's a little leaky down here. It is open. So hopefully I can still use it. It does still have a lot of juices left. So again, here's these masks. They were like folded like this in the package or in the box. So it is everywhere. That's kind of disappointing, but hopefully I can still use them and see how they work. So here are these diamond masks. Again, they're pretty cool looking. And that is all. That is all that is in our November Lola box. I know I'm super late filming this. I've been super busy with Christmas shopping and work and just everyday life, but I love filming for you guys and I love all of my subscribers. I'm pretty sure I just hit 300 subscribers. I know you guys are like, oh, that's not a lot, but to me, it means the absolute world to me. You guys have no idea how much you guys mean. So with all that being said, that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!